Welcome to English Vibes Tales, where learning English becomes easy, fun, and natural through stories. Today I have an amazing story. The Brave Little Dreamer. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by mountains and rivers, there lived a boy named Adam. Adam was not rich, nor was he very strong, but he had something special in his heart. A dream. His dream was to travel beyond the mountains and see the world. Every evening, after helping his father in the fields, Adam would sit by the river and imagine the cities, the oceans, and the stars he had never seen. People in the village often laughed at him. They said, "Adam, stop dreaming. You belong here. The world outside is too big for you." But Adam never stopped believing. One day, while working in the fields, Adam found an old map hidden inside a broken wooden box. The map showed a road leading through the mountains to a faraway city. His heart started to beat faster. "This is my chance," he thought. That night, Adam told his parents about his plan. His mother was worried, and his father said, "Son, the journey will be hard, but if this is what you truly want, go with courage." With a small bag of food, some coins, and his father's blessing, Adam set out on his adventure. The road was not easy. The mountains were tall, and the nights were cold. Many times Adam wanted to give up. He was tired, hungry, and scared. But then he remembered his dream and whispered to himself, "If I stop now, I will never know what is beyond these mountains." On his way, Adam met different people. A kind farmer gave him bread. A traveler shared stories of faraway lands. An old teacher taught him a lesson. The world is like a book. If you never travel, you will only read one page. After many weeks, Adam finally reached the city. It was bigger and brighter than anything he had ever imagined. The streets were filled with people, markets, and music. For the first time in his life, Adam felt that his dream had become real. But his journey didn't stop there. In the city, Adam worked hard, learned new skills, and made friends from different cultures. He sent money and letters back home, telling his parents about everything he had seen. The villagers who once laughed at him now looked at him with respect. Years later, Adam returned to his village. He was no longer the small boy who only dreamed by the river. He was a man full of stories, wisdom, and hope. The children of the village gathered around him every evening, listening to his adventures. Adam always told them, "Dreams are not foolish. They are the seeds of your future. Don't let fear or people's laughter stop you. If you believe in your dream and work for it, you can achieve it." And so, the boy who once dreamed of the world inspired a whole village to dream bigger. Moral of the story: never stop dreaming, because dreams are the first step to changing your life. If you like our videos, please subscribe and share. For more stories, thanks.